Hello friends, welcome to another string related programs in MATLAB. So the question is split a string into two strings wherein the first string has all alphabetical letters that may be capital or small dependent on user inputs, and the second string has all the remaining characters like ampersand symbol or plus minus or whatever characters which are not alphabets. Okay, maintaining the same order as in original string. Okay, so for this program also we are going to use the ASCII table. So see, if one character is alphabet, whether that may be small letter or capital letter, that does not matter. Obviously that character will be from 65 to 90, that is that may be from capital A to capital Z, or it may be from small a to small z, that is from 97 to 122, right? So this is our algorithm for our this program, that is we will check whether a particular character is belonging in this range or not. If it is in this range, we will store in a particular array, and if not, we will store in another array, and later we will print simple, right? So see, here I have written the code. First CLC obviously. Now x equal to input, enter the sentence. Now y equal to double of x. What we are doing, we are basically converting the input string to integers. Now we are taking two empty array, one is q, another one is w. Q will store all the alphabets, w will store all the characters which are not alphabets in this string. Now we are taking one for loop from I equal to 1 to length of y. If y of I greater than equal to 65 and then y of I less than equal to 90, that means if the character is from capital A to capital Z, or that is this type of pipe symbols, y of I greater than equal to 97 and then y of I less than equal to 122, that means if the character is from small a to small z, then q equal to q y of I, that is store that into q array, else store that in w array. Then in the end you convert from integers to characters, then display both. This is the simple program. Let us check. Control A, evaluate selection, enter the sentence. Suppose let me give the sentence as G H Q I O plus plus. I am giving randomly, you can give according to your choice, and then hash hash exclamatory marks, then some minus signs, 7 8, these symbols df, like that. Okay, close this, enter. See, GHQIIO and here DF, these are alphabets, so it is printing first, and then and in the order in which they are appearing, then plus plus star star star, then ampersand symbol, then hash hash, then exclamatory marks, 3 exclamatory marks, then minus minus, then 7 8 4 5 4, these are also not alphabets, so those are printing in the second line. So our code is perfectly working, right? Same algorithm you can implement in Java or Python or C or C++. Let me show you the program also. So see, only difference will be here we are dynamically storing the elements in the array, right, without knowing what may be the possible length. But in Java, if you are working with array, you should first define the array length, so that we have to write bit more, but the main overall algorithm is same. See, as we will take string inputs from the user, so always better to use buffer reader class instead of scanner class. So import java.io.start, then class tav, I have given the tav name, then public static void main string args throws io exception, the line which we write for buffer reader. Now buffer reader r equal to new buffer reader new input stream reader system.in system.out.println, enter the string or enter the sentence. Now to store that input string, we are using a variable, so string a equal to r.readline. Now int l equal to a dot length. Okay, always try to use this only, that is if you are storing the length of array or length of string in some particular variable, give the name l, because l you can easily understand as length, right? And here comes the difference between dot length and dot length then bracket. If you want to calculate the length of the string, you have to give these brackets at the end of the length, but if you are dealing with array, no need to give, right? These things you know. Okay. Now in C equal to 0, in D equal to 0, two variables we have defined. C is defined. C will basically, these two are counters. C will count the total number of alphabets in that particular string. D will count basically the total number of characters which are not alphabets in that particular string. And char m we are defining. Now for int I equal to 0, I less than an I plus plus, m equal to a dot caret I. Okay, so in character m variable we are storing each character, then we are checking. Same checking algorithm is same, m greater than equal to 65 and then m less than equal to 90, or m greater than equal to 97 and then m less than equal to 122. That is, if m is in between capital A to capital Z or from small a to small z, then c equal to c plus 1, else d equal to d plus 1. So that after execution of this for loop, in the C, the total number of alphabets in that particular string will be stored, and in the D variable, total number of characters which are not alphabet in that particular string will be stored. Okay. Now, what we are doing? Char q equal to new char c to store the characters which are alphabets in that particular string. We are defining this q array, and to store the characters which are not alphabet in that particular string, we are using w array of length d, right? And k and vc are two counters again. Just now you will understand what is their functions. Now same code I have applied, but now in this part, if m greater than equal to 65 and then m less than equal to 90, or m greater than equal to 97 and then m less than equal to 122 satisfies, then we are storing those in that q and w variable respectively. If those are alphabets, we are storing those in q variable. If those are not alphabets, we are storing in w variables. So those are array, right? So that to increment the index position, we are using k equal to k plus 1, and in Java you know that array index start from 0, so that we have defined int k equal to 0, int vc equal to 0, two counters. Now very simple, what we have to do, those are character arrays, we have to then concatenate to make a string. So string ds equal to empty strings, string xs equal to empty string. Now what you can do, for int I equal to 0, I less than c, I plus plus, ds equal to ds plus q of I. Basically this will concat all the alphabets of that particular input string, and this part, that is xs equal to xs plus wi, will concat all the characters which are not alphabets in that particular input string. Now the alphabets are plus ds, the characters here you have to write characters which are not alphabets, okay, are okay. Control S, let us check whether our code is working or not. Go to command prompt, cd java c tav dot java tav. Let us check, enter the string. Suppose let me give 456 plus 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 star 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 hash, that is divide symbol, then LLL capital Q and some modulo symbol, @ symbol, GHFA. Let us check. The alphabets are, see, only these are alphabets, LLLLQQQ and GHFA, which is printing in the alphabets, correct? And see, the characters which are not alphabet are 4 5 6 plus 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 hash hash hash, then divide symbols, then percentage or modulo symbols, then @. So the code is perfectly working, and you just observe the algorithm, whatever I have applied in MATLAB, same algorithm I have applied in Java to check whether in an alphabet or a character is alphabet or not. That is, this is the main part, m greater than equal to 65 and then m less than equal to 90, or m greater than equal to 97 and then m less than equal to 122. Okay, so that if you are working with string related programs, always it is better to remember capital A, capital Z and small z as key character decimal values. Okay, it will help you in your programming. So this is all for my this video. I'll post the two codes in the comment section of my this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section.